Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Deshay again here. Welcome back. Today we're just going to do a little simple everyday eye makeup look, okay? So I have here, this is the Revlon Super Length mascara that I'm going to be using. Nothing too fancy. I'm not doing a whole foundation and contouring and any of that stuff. Just the basic eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner look for everyday work, run out to the store, simple as that. Mine is a little broken and dirty, so pay no mind. This is your eyebrow brush / comb, so I'm gonna use that on my eyebrows. The white stuff you may see in my hair, I retwisted my hair. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, okay, you guys? Go ahead and share this with your family. There will be lots of different videos that I will have on my channel. Here is the eyeliner I will be using. It's Color Bash Cosmetics. Nothing too fancy, like I said. Alright, so usually I first start off with just brushing my eyebrows. They're already on fleek, so we don't have to worry about that, but I wanted to show you all what I normally do when I do a quick, simple eye makeup look for the day. I have on red, black, and orange army fatigue, so I'm gonna use red right on my upper eyelid. And I'm just gonna go starting in the corner of my eye on the crease. And this is a bold red. So you don't need a whole lot. Just like that. It's very bold, y'all. Same thing on the other side. Okay, simple enough. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. But first I'm going to go get the rest of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyeshadow that I will be using, it is called Color Obsession Eye and Lip. Just as simple as that. There's your eye makeup from here over. Here's the lip gloss. Simple as that. This was a gift to me. I'm just going to use very light color, this one here, right under my eyebrows. And I'm just going right under my eyebrows. Real thin. It doesn't need to be too thick. We don't want to be looking like a clown walking around. I am not Shea Butter the Clown. We are not doing that. As I go down, I just kind of spread it out a little bit and go back over it just to lighten it up. Just to lighten it up. I do have other makeup brushes, you guys. This is just my everyday simple eye makeup look for work. Now, right above my eyelid, right there above the crease, right there at the crease, I'm going to use a brown, just a simple brown. This one right here, I haven't even touched that one yet. That's the one I'm gonna use. All right. And I'm just gonna work that up and fill in the space above it from the other color, right next to the other color. You can't really tell a difference because that is my skin color pretty much, but I want it to kind of blend in. Same thing on the other side. Now, just to add a little extra zing, I'm gonna use this black on the corner, right on the corner. Just like that. I'm gonna give you a better final look once I'm done, because this lighting is not helping very well. I'm just kind of going back up under my eyebrow to make sure it didn't fully disappear, because it will start to blend in. The next makeup video that I do will be a full-on makeup tutorial with everything from applying your primer, your foundation, and contouring and different things that you do before you actually put on your basic makeup on top of all of that. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner. And I'm gonna do a wing at the very end, okay? Looks like I'm covering up majority of the red, but I'm gonna go back over a little bit of that red. Okay? Once I get to that end, just bring it up a little bit on the side. Can y'all see that? Same thing with the other side. The whole purpose is to get the red on top of the eyeliner. So that's why I said it'd be best to do the red first. I mean the eyeliner first. All right. Last but not least, we're gonna do the applier mascara. That is it for the final eye makeup look for today. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I post. Have a great day. See you soon.